Hello. So my today's topic is going to be how to get harmonious union now. Interesting? Yes. Everyone wants to have their harmonious union now. And why not, right? Because we are desiring something that is ours. So it is good that we should, when things are ours, then it should be with us now, right? There is no point in waiting. And second thing, why to stay in the vibration of waiting? Because the universe is going to respond to your vibration. So if you are going to stay in the vibration of waiting, so universe is going to keep it like that, like you will be constantly waiting for your harmonious twin flame union, right? So what can you do so that you get into the harmonious union vibration right now? Because the more and more you stay in the harmonious union vibration, that will accelerate your twin flame harmonious union. So many harmonious union. Okay, so it the video itself is bringing in the harmonious union vibration. There are few things, there are few things. First thing, you are inviting your twin flame with you, because harmonious twin flame union is a physical union. It's not like you are going to stay away and it's just that you stay in the feeling. No, harmonious union is all about the physical union. So you have to also make your physical space that vibrate up to the harmonious union. So how to make that? So what are the things, what are the things that you are going to completely share with your twin flame? What are those things? It is everything that you are interacting, you are going to share that with your twin flame. So every moment of your consciousness, you should be in the harmonious union, as if your twin flame is with you, and know that harmonious union is a vibration. So you can get into that vibration by healing your feelings. Okay, so first thing is your heart, right? So how is your heart occupied now? Is it resenting in the past issues? Is it still holding on grudges to the relationship that had happened and failed in the past? Or is it just occupied, worrying about the future? So any of this, whether your heart is in past or future, all that you have to do is clean it up. Clean it up, because your twin flame is not going to get into the heart that is preoccupied. Okay, your twin flame will ensure that your heart is completely filled with unconditional love. So anything that you don't resonate with a love vibration, it could be your work, like are you still clinging on to 3D work, or you really are engaged in a work that is making you feel happy, making you feel passionate, like you feel alive doing that work. So that is how exactly is your life purpose work, right? So check that, because a lot of your time is actually gone into that. And if you are staying in a vibration, just to pay the bills or take care of some money need, you are doing some work and that's not making you feel happy, that's not a good vibration for you to attract your twin flame. Because constantly your twin flame is going to guide you towards your life purpose. So they will not partner with you if you are just engaging in work that is just to earn money to pay the bills. That's not a twin flame vibration. So it is always encouraged that along with your harmonious union block clearing, you keep clearing your blocks towards your life purpose. Okay, that attracts your twin flame faster. Okay, second thing is your physical environment, like where do you stay. So is that space ready enough to invite your twin flame? Like if your twin flame comes and knocks at your door, are you ready? Are you ready to open the door and welcome your twin flame happily? There is no constraint. Is that the situation? And most of the cases, there are blocks, could be, you could be with your parents, and your parents are not accepting you twin flame, or you could be in a in a karmic relationship. So you have to ensure that those things are cleared, so that when you are with, it's not like you have to hide your twin flame, right? Because that's the only truth. You cannot hide the truth. You have to be authentic and accept that truth, right? And what's the point in hiding the true love? There is no point. And itself it is a block. If you have some belief that have like stigma around love, could be due to some cultural effect or could be due to some family history, it is good to release that or heal that. Actually, don't, you just cannot ignore it. You have to heal it. You have to also see another perspective. Whenever I am inviting you to heal anything and you feel like you are going to do the healing for yourself, and you are going to do something that is that is your family is not going to accept it. Actually, it doesn't happen like that, because your twin flame journey is a spiritual journey. Is something that is happening as per the divine order. Okay, it is there on the plan. It's a universal phenomenon. It is not your phenomenon. Okay, so when it is a universal phenomenon, so universe also knows how to take care of everything around you, so you don't have to worry about it. The moment you heal your block, you will see the people around you also vibrate up, or they will just get released from your consciousness. Either of the thing will happen. So you don't have to put your energy in worrying how the people around you are going to react. That's actually a mechanism of hiding behind those excuses. Okay, so it is not about them, it is all about you, how much you are committed to your relationship, how much are you committed to your ascension, how much are you committed to express authentically rather than hiding. So it is all about that. So physical space you have, and like if you are free from these blocks, like you don't have blocks related to family, or you are not bonded in a karmic relationship, so in that case it is always good that you start making space for your twin flame in the house that you stay in. Okay, as if your twin flame is with you, there should be a specific space for the for the cupboard, so that as if the person is there with you. It is small things, all the small detailing of the thing that you have to take care, so that you get into the vibration of harmonious union. So anybody who are around you, they will recognize as if you are already committed. The vibration is like that. Nobody will you, if you are truly committed deep within you, you will not attract any other leaking energetic experience. That's not going to happen on a twin flame committed relationship. Okay, so first thing, you can absolutely get into your twin flame harmonious union vibration right now by cleaning your heart space. And as you keep healing in your heart, you will start seeing the changes in your reality, and accordingly you have to start making space in your physical reality. Okay, it is like you are grounding, you will first do the healing in the 5D, and then you also have to ground it in the 3D. Because if you just stay in the 5D, what is the fun, right? You have to ground your physical union, your harmonious union in the 3D. You are here to show the consciousness that love is true. Love is true. True love exists, right? That's what you are going to vibrate into. And you are going to demonstrate how the unconditional love looks like, right? And it is going to happen only when you embody that unconditional love, right? And you can do that right away. You don't have to if you are staying in a vibration that wants you to inflame, come into your physical reality, then all the thing will happen. No, it's a energetic ascension process. So you have to do a lot of inner work. And it is said on a twin flame journey, it is like almost 95% inner work, and it's just 5% external work. It just happens. So enjoy your harmonious union now, right now. It's a very beautiful unconditional love. Thank you.